So here's a more detailed explanation on how complete beginners are earning online. So if you're somebody who's looking to get started earning online, even as a complete beginner, make sure to save this video. So first, you're gonna have a product to promote, whether it's your own product or you're promoting a product as an affiliate. And if you didn't know, there are plenty of companies that will pay you every time that you refer a customer to buy a product from their website. For example, Amazon is one of these companies. You can sign up to recommend their products and start earning a commission every time you refer a customer to buy a product from their website. But once you have a product picked out that you want to promote, or it's your own product, you would create content on social media around that product. Then you would drive traffic to a specific page that's going to capture people's name and email address. This is called a landing page. Once someone enters in their name and information on this page, they click the button, then they're going to be directed to the sales page where they can buy that specific product. If they purchase that product, then you would earn money. Now let's say somebody enters in their name and information on this page. They go to the sales page, but they don't buy that product. The reason why you want to capture their name and email is you can follow up with them through a series of emails, just introducing them to that product, adding more value to that product, explaining why they should get that product for themselves, and just some benefits that other people have gained using that product. Now, if you want to learn in more detail how this process works and how you can start making money with it, I have a free community on Facebook where I help people who are learning this method and people who need help scaling their business with this method. Now, if you want to get access to my free Facebook group, or if you want to learn how you can build your own online business using this method in 12 days or less, all you have to do is leave a comment.